Welcome back everyone to my channel, Modestly MASKI. I'm MASKI, and today we will be making my rosemary roasted garlic baked vegetables. All right, so let's start. We're gonna take some potatoes right here. So this dish right here is something I do when I really don't feel like cooking, but I want to make sure that I'm giving my children something delicious, healthy, but fast. It ain't gonna take up a lot of time. I use whatever vegetables I have in my kitchen at home, so you can use whatever you want. It don't have to be just what I have. Whatever you have, you go with it. So I got me some potatoes right here. By the way, potatoes are tapuach adama. We're gonna use about 3 potatoes. My little boy gonna be looking for all the potatoes in the vegetables, trying to pick them out to eat the potatoes. Remember I said that cooking is something that you get creative doing. So you can take whatever vegetables that you have. I'm also gonna take sweet potatoes. Have me a beautiful sweet potato right here. Especially if you have some vegetables that's going bad and you're like, oh my goodness, I need to use up these vegetables right quick. Then take those vegetables, peel them, wash them really good. Put them in a bowl with some seasonings, a little oil, put it in the oven. I promise you, delicious. And sweet potatoes, people think that you can only make them sweet. Sweet potatoes, they call sweet, but I love them savory. I love them with that cumin and I even like putting cinnamon inside of my savory dishes. You can cut them up whatever sizes you want. I peel mine, but you don't always have to. And my children absolutely love baked vegetables. It is my go-to. And we have a few carrots. I said, okay, we got these carrots in this refrigerator that we need to use up. Carrots are extremely healthy. Carrots are gezer. Carrots in Hebrew. I think I'm gonna use about 3 carrots. About 3 carrots. And you don't have to cut them all small. People always laughing at me. They say, why all of y'all Israel people love those little knives? I don't know what it is, but I noticed that a lot of us in our community like these knives. These little Israel knives are the bomb. They are sharp, easy to use, easy to handle. So I'm going to just put this to the side and I'm going to just start chopping up our vegetables. You don't want them really small. And try your best to get everything about the same size. You see this size here? About this size. Okay? So have a little bit of this, a little bit of that, but I love making sure that I see all those different colors, and especially in times like this where, people ain't got a lot of money. Just take whatever it is that you have and put it in a bowl, season it good. It's so many simple, delicious recipes you can use to feed your family. Oh, this one. You see that? I'm gonna take half, but just this part, because I don't use that. I don't want to put that in there. This is one of those dishes you just get creative. Whatever you have, you use. Okay, that's better. And I love, love, love fresh rosemary. So we definitely gonna put some fresh rosemary in this dish. And these carrots, since they're not thick, I'm going to just slice them like that. Put them in there. Oh, I end up cutting that one down the middle. Yeah, I ain't mean to do that. So we're just gonna take that and do that like this. Make them a little bit bigger. And we have us a red onion right here. Put that in there. And again, get creative in here. Show me what vegetables you have, how you did it, even the seasonings. Get creative with it. You know, just gonna rinse this onion off. I'm gonna make sure that you rinse off all that extra skin. I love the red onions. So you're just gonna dice that up really big. Same size you did the potatoes, sweet potatoes. Put that to the side. Have our green pepper. Gonna dice up our green peppers. Take the seeds out. I think I'm gonna just use a half of green pepper. Half a yellow pepper. So remember when I say I have another video where I talk about a few of the vegetables in Hebrew. So I mentioned the gamba. They use it when they're talking about the red peppers, but gamba is all of them together. But you have pilpil adom, which is the red pepper. Then you have pilpil yarok and pilpil sahov. Okay? We're gonna dice it up the same size as we diced up our onions and potatoes. You're gonna try to get everything about the same size. We're gonna put it in our bowl. See all these beautiful colors? Now we're gonna take some zucchini squash. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the peel off. I don't like the way that looked. And we're just going to dice it up around the same size. That in the bowl. Whenever I cook, I love to look for colors. Like, get all this in a bowl. This right here should feed, depending on if you're gonna eat it with something else, I would say about 7 people. If you have something else, I mean, it's just vegetables, so enjoy it. I'm gonna put a white onion also in here. Bye. See how beautiful this is right here? We have all of our vegetables cut up. Do you see all these colors? You see the white and the orange and the purple and the red and yellow and green. See that? Beautiful. Okay, so we're going to take, I got some fresh rosemary here. Just gonna cut it in half, break it in half. I'm gonna put that right in there because I don't want it to be too much, but if you do it like this, it's just gonna bake and the vegetables just gonna get the taste of the rosemary. We have 2 spoons of sunflower seed oil, garlic granules, some curry, some cumin. Put it all in here. Half a tablespoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. And I have this seasoning right here I got from my local seasoning stores. Just have a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of kosher salt and a little bit of cumin seeds and different things like that. You can put fennel. You can make this however you want, okay? So we're going to just mix it up. I like to personally use my hands and get your hands in there and do that, but we're going to just mix it up with a big spoon. Okay, so we have our pan. Let's put some paper. And we're just going to dump it all in the pan. You see the colors? This is definitely enough to feed a family. You don't have to do as much as I'm doing. I have 5 beautiful children, so just making enough for my family. And you can use whatever vegetables that you want. So I'm going to take some garlic and I'm going to just cut it in half. Just going to cut it in half like this. Keep it in its shell. And we're just going to put it in here and we're going to let it cook with our vegetables, caramelize. And when you finish, you see this? What happens is that your garlic ends up let's see if we got to drop more oil in there. What's going to happen is your garlic going to end up caramelizing and becoming sweet, and the shell is going to get crisp and it's just going to squeeze right out of the shell, and you can eat it with your vegetables. You can spread it on your bread or whatever you have, but I love it like this. Okay, so we're going to pop this in the oven at 350 degrees, which is 180 Celsius, and we'll be right back. Slide this into the oven. Okay, so we're going to try these baked vegetables out and see how they came out. Let's get a little bit of this beautiful sweet potato, zucchini, potato. The colors are so pretty. Do you see these colors? It'll take me a little garlic too. Do you see how this garlic? I want to show you this. I want to show you this garlic. So do you see the garlic right here and how I just slide this garlic out and how it's just creamy. Yes, this is what happens when you bake the garlic and the shell stays nice and firm. Let's try it and see how it came out. It's delicious. The rosemary is not too strong because we didn't chop it up and mix it in with the vegetables. We let it kind of stay to itself but still get the flavors inside of there. And then the garlic, when you mash it on the vegetable, it comes out, the taste is not too hard like it is if the garlic is raw. It's like real soft and caramelized. It's delicious. You have to try this dish right here. Please let me know in the comments below how it came out for you and if you like this dish. And to everyone, if it's your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you already subscribed, thank you. And for those who haven't, please hit that subscribe button, share, like, hit the bell, and leave a comment below and let me know how you like this dish and how it came out for you. Until next time, peace and blessings to everyone. Shalom.